this room has no aircon because, as mentioned a while ago, this area is very cool. But if you would like to add on an aircon, then it is your choice to purchase. And they have good water pressure, as this home has its own water tank and also water pump. Very refreshing. Just look at around. Dear peeps, welcome to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in Dumaguete, no other than Alma Almonte Fulco. So for today's vlog, my dear peeps, I have another listings that we acquired that is located in Valencia, Bongbong, Negros Oriental, Philippines. Before we're going to roam around, as you can see at the back of my beautiful shoulder, we have a beautiful and big space mansion. No, not mansion, a beautiful house. So there, I would like to inform you that the lot area of this property is 3,151 square meter. And this beautiful building up over here, the floor area is 233 square meter. The house is only 3 years old. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and of course, the house has also 10 solar panels which is equipped already in the home. This property is very breezy and it's also cemented all the way from the proper. So you don't have a problem with your car. And if you're coming here, it is very beautiful because the scenery going to this property is perfect. It has a lot of trees all the way. So my dear peeps, what are you waiting for? I would love you to come with me so I can show you this beautiful property with its beautiful scenery around it. So, tara! So my dear peeps, good news! This property is lowered from 18.9 million pesos to 17 million pesos. Let's have a tour. This is the main gate going up. So there's 2 ways. This gate and then another gate down there. So you have 2 entrances. Let's go. I'm gonna show you inside of the home. So this is actually the parking. It has already a canopy, but you can improvise this and then you can add a covered like hard stuff if you may. So here is the water tank. I'm sorry about the mess, but this is like their outside pour. So this is the water tank that is 1.5 liter more or less. So this is the maid's room and it has no aircon as well, but you can provide, but it's cool here, I swear. So they have bunk beds. If you have maids, helpers, they don't need to go to the main house. They just stay here outside. So they have also an Ensuite bathroom, so I can show it to you. So this is the Lanai area here that you may enjoy yourself during the day if you wanted to drink coffee, and then you can look at around. So you can just sit down here. There's a table already. So now let's go to the main house. So when we get in, this is now the living area of the house. So this couch will stay together with a TV. So big items of this house will stay with the tail. So now I'm going to show you the dining area. So this is the dining area here. Of course, they have the separate kitchen of this house as well. So the kitchen area is this way. It has its own door. So this is their letter L open concept kitchen area. And this refrigerator will stay. We have a lot of cabinets. And they have good water pressure, as this home has its own water tank and also water pump. So they have this gas range that you can use while you're cooking. And we have an extra space here that you can put your cooking if you are, like a lot of things you wanted to cook, so you can just place it here. So when you came out from the kitchen area, you can obviously see the dining area. And here is the common bathroom of the house. So if you have guests, they will just gonna use this common bathroom. So in the first floor, this is actually the storage room. So if you have lots of things that you wanted to store, this is the room for you, but it has a lot of stuff, so we don't need to see it. So now I'm going to show you the 2 rooms in the second floor and the porch of this property. The 2 rooms that is considerably 2 master's bedroom, because it has its own ensuite bath, furnished, and it has its own lanai that you can enjoy your coffee or your moments every morning when you wake up. So let's go. This is the master's room. Then we have a bed which is queen size, and then we have a lot of cabinets. This room has no aircon because, as mentioned a while ago, this area is very cool, but if you would like to add on an aircon, then it is your choice to purchase. So now I'm gonna show you the master bath of this house. We also have no hot and cold shower, but it does not problem because you can purchase and add it on. And now, my dear peeps, I'm gonna show you the porch of this master bedroom so you can enjoy your coffee or your moment. So this is the wide porch that you can enjoy yourself every morning, that you can drink your coffee, you can see outside. It's very breezy here. And if you may enter to the second room, that can be your guest room, as well as it has a lot of cabinets. They have a queen size bed, and we have also its own ensuite bath and its private lanai or porch that your guests can enjoy their morning while they are vacationing from your home country. So have a look. This is the main suite bath. Shall we proceed to the other porch so we can see the outside scenery? So here is the outside porch here that you can do your yoga. Very refreshing. Just look at around. Alright, my dear peeps, that's all for today. So if you're looking to purchase a clean title property without any problems of the road right of way, this property is suits to what you're looking for, as this property is clean title, 1 signatory, and it is a long cemented road all the way from Valencia proper. And if your kids are studying in Dumaguete City, it is only about 20 to 25 minutes drive from your vehicle from this location. And my dear, if you are looking to have a private tour, please don't forget to contact me. I will be leaving my contact below so you can contact me easily and I can have a private tour with you anytime with your availability. So my dear peeps, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our Living in Dumaguete vlog. And I'm very happy to assist you with your real estate needs. And dear, if you are looking to purchase lower than this price, please don't forget to look at our previous vlog and or please comment below with your price, and I'm very happy to assist and look for a right property for you. And of course, I love you all and I wanted to meet you in the near future if you are ready to purchase the dream home you are looking for. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent, Alma Almanti Folco. Bye!